Alright. Toastmasters and my dear guests. I was walking down the road when I met a fine gentleman who gave me a task. Interested to know further on what the task is, I asked him, "What do you want me to do?" To which he replied, "I want you to memorize the script and deliver a speech impersonating me." I was amused and hence I asked him, "What is the speech all about and why me?" To which he replied, "This is a speech about my life and I want you to deliver it because I know you will deliver it confidently without the fear of being judged." Okay, it sounds like an interesting offer. I get to do acting of that person, I get to deliver a speech, and finally I get to collect all the standing ovations. I immediately accepted this offer. But I had some questions. So, mister, why is this speech so important that it has to be delivered right now? Well, I should give you some context. You should know what is at stake. The story dates back 6 years ago. I was a trainee at my first job in Mysore. That was the first time when I came across the name, the Toastmasters Club. I immediately set foot for it and I attended their session. I attempted a table topic session over there and I commemorated the way they celebrated their sessions. That day sealed the deal. I had to join them. I was slated to join them and deliver my first speech, but that day never came in 6 years. And now that I have found you, I want you to do it because I realize that it's better to get onto the road and start your journey than to wait for the Ferrari to pick you up. Alright, sounds fair. So, why can't you do it yourself? I'm too scared to face the audience. I feel I'll be judged. Okay, so do you do this when you are scared all the time? Just hire somebody. Yes, that is what I do. I've been doing this all my life. Okay, I understand. But when you say all your life, do you do this even when you have to write your exams? Did you do the same thing when you wrote your exams? Have you watched the movie Three Idiots? That is based on my life. They copied my idea. I hired my Phuntsuk Wangdu to write my AIEEE exams. I scored 732 rank. I did the same thing for my CAT exams and I got admission into a prestigious IIM. Whoa, that is some feat. What about daily work? You couldn't have got into an interview being so dumb and hiring people. Well, once I was in a tech role and I was really passionate about marketing, and that's when I hired somebody to take my interview. And voila, I got the job. Okay, sounds interesting. What about your personal life? Have you proposed to your girlfriend at least? Well, that is an exception because I was not the one doing that all those times. It was the job for the ladies. Okay, any thrilling adventures in your life? Any Mountain Dewish scary adventures? Have you done something like that? Oh yes, I was once at Rishikesh bungee jumping. That is India's highest platform for bungee jumping. I must tell you that it is a very scary depth, 83 meters. All I had to do was hire somebody to jump for me. And I jumped and enjoyed the thrill. And I actually did the same thing when I scuba dived. Okay, you are a wicked con man, I must tell you. What about situations when you have to perform on the stage? Any talents where you perform on the stage? What do you do then? That is precisely why I hired you. I am engaged with improv theatre for 3 years. In improv theatre, artists perform on the stage impromptu without any script or context, on the spot. And for all my roles and characters, I hire people like you. Okay, I just don't know what to do. I don't understand you. What do you actually do in your life? Hey, mister, you just get off. You better prepare your speech. I believe life is all about experiences and collecting memories. And hence, I land up in situations where I'm scared. And that's when I hire people like them. I call them my masks. I have a plethora of masks. I have my happy mask. I have my sad mask. I have my scary mask. I also have my villain mask. And finally, I also have a secret mask. And because of masks like these, I can confidently answer the question, who am I? I am the amalgamation of all the masks that I wear. Hey, it's time for your speech now. Oh yes, time for the speech. Let me see what this note says. It just says the speech is already delivered. Collect your standing ovation. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day.